So ayun nga guys, no, pag-usapan natin tong topic na to sa yung pageant na to. Napakagandang usapin. Tara, reaction video tayo dito para may matutunan tayo.
One of the pressing issues facing the Senate today is the impeachment case of the Vice President.
Patungkol sa impeachment case ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Alam na.
Of the Philippines. Some believe that the Senate should prioritize more urgent legislative matters, while others argue that the impeachment trial must proceed as it is.
Totoo naman eh. Daming galit. Huwag nyo kasi bitinin.
Constitutionally mandated. What is your stand on this issue? Should the Senate focus on its legislative function, or should it still proceed with the impeachment trial, and why?
One of the pressing issues today is indeed the case of our Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial. And my stand on this issue is that the government should focus on pursuing this impeachment trial, because I believe that a leader must
buta pinagdidiinan pa. Huwag mong diinan masyado, masakit yan.
Lead with integrity, honesty, and transparency.
Nice one! Magaling kang kupal ka.
I do think that our current Vice President Sara Duterte didn't show any of these characteristics. As a youth, I promote that we should be the future leaders of our community. We should vote for what is right, and we should stand against corruption.
Boom! Ang sakit nun, boy. Ano ka ngayon? Oh, di ba? Kawawang bata. Kawawang buday. Ang daming nakapanood dito. Madaming galit na kabataan dahil sa impeachment na yan. Kung dati mo pang sinagot yan, wala ka sana dyan sa posisyon na yan. Yun ang masakit na katotohanan.